All the while you were healthy. You never cared to look at me or give me a shoulder to lean on. I can think of many nights of loneliness. Now you lay helpless, unconscious of things around you. Okay, I'll take care of you. Let's see how you'll withstand the pains of being in a vulnerable spot.
Remember, nothing is permanent. Remember, nothing is permanent.
Where's the doctor?
He's on his way. He will be with you shortly.
Ayaka, yari yari yo. Ogonye nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Anyaka nwa, yari yari yo. Yafudonye yari charo kuya kipoko. Ayaka chonda. Local orthopedic, Ayaka the bone doctor, Ayaka the bone doctor, phonology. Kelechi, Kelenwa, Kelemo. She's stubborn, very rude girl, but she is strong. Kelechi is gifted. Achalogo nyanya putife. That's why Oji Bochiri onye mkwenkwe. That's why Oji Bochiri papa onye mkwenkwe. What did she say? Achalogo n'ology. What did she say she was? Hey, I said again. Kelechi Achalogini. Are you sure? Ayaka na her boss. They are local bone doctors, local orthopedics, fire wapu no no. Signboard the fab wapu. Abuloni well on this location. Run along, Opachili go. Balodiaba, Ayaka na Kenechi no in town. Faga wago pupu. Beware of Monday, Ayaka the bone doctor. Gochi akuri opupu. Bone master be. Local orthopedic, Ayaka the bone doctor. Ayaka the bone doctor. Phonology master be. What did she say she was? Hey, I said again. Kelechi Achalogini. Are you sure?
Your Majesty, I suggest we move the prince back home and involve a local healer.
A local healer?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Why do we build hospitals? If not for COVID-19, I would have flew my son abroad for a good treatment. Look, I cannot leave my son in the hands of one roadside healer who knows next to nothing about fixing bones.
Your Majesty, there's no harm in trial. There's no harm in trial. I have seen with these my eyes a man whose bones were visually shattered into pieces. A local healer was involved. Today, the man is traversing the length and breadth of this kingdom with his 2 legs. What about Mazibe's son? The one you know, my king. He had a similar problem. Today, he plays football. He even played with Omonochi Football Club last week. If you like, you can ask the one you are living with. Her name is Kelechi. The one that is in your house. She will tell you better. She will tell you more. Your Majesty, please give it a thought. What about in the olden days? When there was no hospital, our people exist and we heard all these things were treated. They said when there was no granite, did people eat the shit of the goats? So I suggest you bring him back. Let us take him. Let us involve a local healer. Please, Your Majesty.
She is not your rival. I think this is the opportunity you need to win back your husband's love. Yes. All the prince needs right now is a woman. A woman beside him to take care of him. Not this.
I was the one who waited. I waited for him to return. Only for him to come back with that useless girl. That daughter of a nobody. To think she even had the guts to show her ugly self at the hospital. A daughter of a nobody. That cheap thing that is not even up to my standard. No. She's not having him. Not when I'm alive. I am that moving train. Anyone who dares me, who crosses my path, will be crushed. Prince Kingsley is mine. And I am the next queen.
That's the next queen talking. Yes. Seize this opportunity, nurse him back to health, then watch him fall for you as he recovers. Crush anything crushable.
That's okay. Stop crying. Oh, I don't want anything to happen to now. She's still crying. Dara. You have to stop crying, okay? Nothing will happen to Kingsley. Kingsley will be fine. All we need to do is pray for him. Alright? Don't stop praying for him, okay? Now wipe your tears. Go upstairs to your room. I will join you later, okay? Stop crying now. Okay. She's missing him. Everybody's missing him. I've told your father to fly him abroad. What was his response? What else? If not his usual silence. Jesus. God, please. Let nothing happen to my son. He's the only thing I have. Please, Lord. Please.
It's okay.
His Royal Majesty, I bow and tremble.
Your Excellency, the Ambassador. Ambassador Richard, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
Yes.
Am I supposed to be shaking hands with my king? I hope you will not send your guards to arrest me for disrespecting your person and your throne.
You have my immunity covering you. Please sit. How was your trip?
Oh, good. Apart from the very bad roads. I think the Minister for Transport and Works should resign his appointment. He's doing a very terrible job, I must say.
Well, I must congratulate you on your appointment as Nigeria Ambassador to China. And I must say I am proud of what you have achieved in this little space of time.
Thank you, His Royal Majesty. I've heard so much about your achievements in this community since you became the king. I am so proud of you. How's your family?
Well, fine.
And your son, what's that his name?
Prince Kingsley.
Yeah, Kingsley.
Yes.
Oh, how is he doing?
My son is doing well. And your daughter, Gwanwa, I know she must have grown into a beautiful woman.
Certainly. I am so proud of her.
Yeah.
She has bagged so many awards and achievements in the academic field.
Wow.
You need to see her.
And she will be a good wife to my son.
That's a wonderful idea, His Royal Majesty.
Yes.
You know, that will go further to cement our relationship. And of course, you know, I have been favored to be the next president of this great country. So we're going to have a strong, super political dynasty working together.
Really? That's a piece of good news. Then we should make preparations for their marriage.
Of course.
Once again, welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
Yes. What have I done? What have I done?
The new thing wey don happen now. The priest get accident. The accident pieces his leg. The thing pain me oh. Igwe don suffer, Lolo don suffer. Everybody for the palace don suffer, including me wey dey the palace. I don suffer oh. Every day we dey cry.
So what is the king doing about it?
Igwe don tire. Igwe don go different big boniology hospital. They go carry am go mighty boniology hospital. They go cure am. If Igwe go pack money give them womb. They go pack many medicine give Igwe womb. If Prince drink and finish, wow, nothing go happen. Everything still be as if. the bone is still pieces.
What kind of problem is this?
A big problem. And so the priest bone they break. That's it. It break in pieces. And they show you, make it know. It just like no. It break. No break another one. No worry now. Can I get that? Good. If it break, you go buy another one.
Wow. What kind of problem is this now?
A big problem. The palace, everybody they cry. Igwe they cry. Lolo they cry. Princess they cry. Me I they cry. No only those that wicked girl I know they cry. I know one girl with the palace. Aqua winches. You know they cry.
Then it means she's not a good person.
No be better.
Hey God. What kind of problem is this?
No big problem. This is what they tell you. Now make it for go tell your mama. Your mama go tell your mama sister. Your mama sister will tell your mama sisters. Make them for the pray for you, please. Let me tell you. Yeah, Mona they remember her for her prayer because this thing no dey ordinary.
Child, poor man.
And you're running like an idiot.
I beg it's okay, don't call somebody idiot.
What are you running for?
I'm running for something. I bring to you big mighty business.
Business what?
Yes.
See, make I tell you. I hope you're not trying to do all swafia with this my work.
Which was swafia?
I've told you before that this work that I'm doing is from God to my family. Do you understand? My great grandfather started this work from the ancestors and then transferred this work to my grandfather. And then my grandfather now transferred it to
your father. And your father will transfer it to you. And you transfer it to your born children. That's what every time you used to say it. I've heard that thing 1,001 times every day.
My friend, shut up. Tell me what is after you and why you are here to save my time because I call rubbish.
The prince have accident. The prince, he have accident. He now die. He now wake up. As he wake up, they now bring it to the palace, to hospital. All the hospital, he no work. The prince cannot work again. His leg are break.
Yes.
I now come now. I bring the business that I want to go and tell Igwe. You know Igwe like me well. So I want to go and tell Igwe that this place he put me to work now. That we can do it. Me and you can repair the priest's leg. Me and you.
You are who?
Me and you are Yaka and Ekeleshi.
You idiot. Oh, you be like you away. You be like you away.
Why are you laughing now? What is wrong with you? Why are you laughing? Stop being foolish. It's me and you that want to go and repair the priest's leg. Let's go and tell Igwe.
Me and you?
Yes.
Me and you?
Yes.
Me and you?
Yes.
Me and you? Yes, you clever idiot. You be like you.
He likes me.
I say, he be like you.
It's not that kind of like. Father and daughter likeness.
Come shut up. Shut up. You too spoil. You be like me.
I shower. You used to spoil too much. Give me. What is wrong with you? I'm telling you that I brought better business so that we will do. You are pressing your breast.
So that we will do.
Ayaka, what I'm telling you now is that you should know. What I'm telling you now is that you should know that this thing I'm telling you is better thing. Listen to me.
Ayaka, yari yo. Ogonye nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Anyaka nwa. Local orthopedic, Ayaka the bone doctor, Ayaka the bone doctor, phonology Kelechi, Kelenwa, Kelemo. She's stubborn, very rude girl, but she is strong. Kelechi is gifted. Achalogo nyanya putife. That's why Oji Bochili Onyemwe. That's why Oji Bochili Papa Onyemwe. What did she say? Achalogo Naraji. What did she say she was? Hey, Kaserekini. Kelechi Achalogini. Are you sure? Ayaka na her boss. They are local bone doctors, local orthopedics, fire for pupunonu. Signboard the fabo bubu. Abuloni well on this location. Run along. Watching go.
Mother, let me go inside and help the chef make what he will eat, okay?
What did she say she was? Hey, Kaserekini. Kelechi Achalogini. Are you sure? Ayaka. Yari yari yo, obonya nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Anyaka nwa, yari yari yo, lefudonya yari charo kuya kipoko. Ayaka chonda, local orthopedic, ayaka the bone doctor. Ayaka the bone doctor, phonology Kelechi, Kelenwa, Kelemo. She is stubborn, very rude girl, but she is strong. Kelechi is gifted. Achalogo nyanya putife. That's why Oji Bochili Onyemwe. That's why Oji Bochili Papa Onyemwe. What did she say? Achalogo Naraji. What did she say she was? Hey, Kaserekini.
What if it's innocent after all? Matilda. I think you're taking this thing too far.
I still love him. And I know he loves me too.
Beware of Monday, Bond must obey. Local orthopedic, Ayaka the bond doctor. Ayaka the bond doctor. Phonology must obey. What did she say she was? Achola Pulenti's the under Ayaka. Hey, Aserekini. Achola phonology. Kelechi Achologini. Achola Pulenti's the under Ayaka. Are you sure? Achola phonology. Ayaka. Yari yari yo. Ogonye nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Anyaka mwa. Yari yari yo. Defudonye yari chalo kuya kipoko. Ayaka chonda.
Men are not worth any stress at all. Remember, you gave 3 years of your life to a man who'd never appreciated that. So, my dear, you need to brace up and move on with your life.
I know that. I am still angry. But there is this part of me that wants him so badly.
So you have not learned your lessons. Please, forget about Kingsley and move on with your life. Yes.
I wouldn't want to hear any stories. Make sure this food is ready in time. Nania, now go back to your duty.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
oh, Dad.
Nurse, what are you doing downstairs? Who is taking care of my son? Come on, I personally instructed you don't leave her in sight. What are you doing here?
Actually, I'm sorry, Your Majesty. The wife came in and asked me to leave so that she would take care of him.
Oh,
I'm sorry, maybe I should go back.
Hold on. His wife? Mom, Akwawa has never really shown commitment towards my brother. So, why the sudden interest?
what are you insinuating? You better keep that fear to yourself. Kingsley is her husband, and she has every right to take care of her husband, okay? The way you children of nowadays reason surprises me sometimes.
Yet, her showing sudden interest is very surprising.
How? Oh, please. Chide, come. You go there, you do well for you, okay? And then, nurse, enjoy. Rest, okay? It's never a crime. Kingsley, how are you feeling today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I am very sorry for everything you are going through. I've been at the palace to see you several times, but I was denied access to see you. And I've called you several times. You refused taking my calls. How far with the treatment now?
It's going fine. I'm recuperating, I believe. With time, all of this will be over.
I'm fine, thank God.
So, how are you in business?
And business is fine too. I just pray and hope you get back on your feet soon and then get back to work.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Bye.
In this life, remember nothing is permanent. Remember nothing is permanent.
I'm here in respect of the problem that is not only on the neck of His Majesty, but on the neck of the whole of Eluama Kingdom.
Are you serious? Everybody is having neck problem. Are you serious?
It's not what he's saying.
That is not what I mean. The Prince Kingsley, he was involved in an accident.
Are you serious? No. I didn't hear of that though.
Ayaka the liar! Ayaka see, you heard of that from me. Now me tell you say Prince get accident, not be the business so I tell you that time.
Shut up! Is it not business that you say that you have? You say you have business. You tell me that Prince. You say that you are in love with. The king is in love with you.
Ayaka, it's all right. See, this is not the time to be bantering words with her. Okay, this is the time for action.
Yes.
Please, I want you to come and see what you can do.
Okay. One thing lead to the other. The thing is that we have an emergency. Yes.
We are going for home service.
Home service, something that is very crucial. You understand? But this one now, the way we are talking about this one now, it means that it is crucial.
This one is more crucial than that one.
That is to say that
what you can do.
No, that is crucial.
Yes.
Okay.
It is crucial.
What you need to do is to go back to the palace while we arrange ourselves. As you can see, we're on our way to home service. Why are you always bringing this and that to your nose? Am I smelling? Is it smelling?
It's all right. Please. I should have suggested we go not later than now.
Okay, not later than now.
Let's go not later than now. Let us go now.
No problem. That, like I said, it's crucial. It means that the one we are talking about is
it's
more.
All right.
So go. Just go. Let's arrange ourselves.
Which arrange ourselves? Do you forget that I stay for palace?
Let's talk.
Please.
Yes. No. What's your problem? See, anytime anybody comes here to tell us about something, just keep quiet. Shut up. I am the charge. I'm the charge here, not you. You're that poor idiot. See, what you have to do now, you have to go, since you are leaving the palace, go and change. Make yourself available and change. Why I go and change my inner? They saga. Obago. Va. Come on, you call here. See, that change your don't go begin to do a lot of nonsense. Change.
Ayaka, yari yo. Okonye nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Ayaka mwa, yari yo. Yafulonye yari charukunya kipoko. She's stubborn.
Hi. Oh, you're still here. Please, could you help me turn the other way? Yes.
Are you traveling? Where are you going with the luggage?
So now I am being washed.
What do you mean being washed? Did you do something wrong?
Well, I'm not supposed to answer that question, but I'll do that anyways. I'm going back to my father's house. It seems your brother isn't getting well anytime soon. And as a young, pretty, vibrant chick that I am, you don't expect me to get attached to a man who is sick and in his vegetative state. So, honey, we have come to the end of the road. Hey, don't just stand there and look at me like a moron. You don't expect me to carry this bag all by myself. Bring your ass here and take this thing to the boat. Quickly, I like smart people.
You know, you are no different from a gold digger. My brother will be fine. And you're going to regret your actions. You were just heartless.
Who cares? I don't care. We move.
You are a beast! A beast! You are an idiot! Mother!
What is it?
I knew it!
You know what?
I knew that the Aqua is nothing but a gold digger!
What has she done?
Mother Aqua left the palace with her belongings, calling my brother a vegetable to my face!
She did that? Where's my phone?
That girl is a gold digger!
Don't worry, it's ringing.
I said it!
She didn't pick my call. Why?
Because she's a devil!
Why would she do this to me? So after all I've done for her?
Mother, that girl is a demon!
Take your phone, you fool!
Where's my brother?
He's having his bath inside.
Brother Kingsley! Brother Kingsley! Brother!
Oh, Akwanwa. Because my son is handicapped. Akwanwa. We shall see. Let's play the game and see who laughs last.
Sorry, yeah?
Yeah, that's me.
Don't try it again, please. This is not Ayaka's compound. Tiara, you stay this bed. Idiot. Oh, sorry.
Don't do it.
Yeah, this one. Ow! Sorry. Hi. Let's walk here. It is time we do this. Which walk again?
No fear.
Yes.
The thing not the pain. It go pay you, but it no go pay you way, but it go pay you way.
Yes. Calm down. We'll do it and did you feel any pain here? No. So you are still feeling pain here. By the time we handle this one,
yes,
you will not feel pain again. So
you will feel, but not you not go.
You will not feel. Stop. You will not feel any pain.
You go feel pain.
If you tell him that you will feel pain, you will be thinking that you will anything. Okay, that's why you go to hospital. Even if that person is dying, doctors will tell you, don't worry, be fine.
But he's not dying.
Encourage you.
Okay, is he dying?
What are you discussing?
No, we just trying to put heads together. They said if you rub head together, then you get a proper
result of the thing.
Yes, the result. After this one, the next time we'll come, we'll give you something that we drink from the shot, so that the thing will heal it internally. You understand? This one is just a starter with the concussion. With what we drink through this tumbler, it will now go inside and.
Okay, let's start to walk now.
You use your leg. Start your football. It is time.
To do this. Yes, the battle have started.
Yes.
You dey pull your seat belt. Why you dey pull am?
Shut up. I am fastening up my seat belt. You have to fasten up your seat belt.
Everything is not by force. I tell you, marriage is not do or die affair. So take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life.
What are you trying to do? What is please? I'm trying to hit it once and for all. What are you hitting? Are you a carpenter? No, this one is not the carpenter thing.
Ayaka. Is that why you want to break the prince's leg?
Are you mad? What do you mean break the prince's leg?
Look at the way you were carrying force.
That is the force. You have to raise it higher than soft landing. What? You just go on soft landing to do this. See. Is that how you walk?
No, it's not how we walk.
Not how you walk.
This
one is already gone. When I weighed this side, did you feel any pain?
No.
I weighed here, it was okay. I weighed this side, it was okay. And I weighed here, you felt pain. I said,
is that why you want to demolish the remaining?
Please, just allow us to do our job. Because after this is the last them. And then you start playing football.
Don't break our prince's leg.
It is not about are you mad? Then I apprentice idiot. Just respect yourself now. A child does not tell his father this is where we lived before.
My king, you have to tell them to stop.
Who?
That girl and her team of quack. Please. I don't want them to wound him more than he is already wounded. Tell them to leave that room.
What is your problem?
My king, I don't know what is going on in there, but I can hear him scream and shout of pain. Please tell them to leave there. This is not fair.
Oledo, I know you don't trust these people, but they are in their fields. Well, I believe they know what they are doing, especially that man, Ayaka. If not, how could he have maintained his bone-setting herbal home for years?
Oh, but my king,
Oledo, please, let's give them some time and let's hope that something good comes out from this one.
yeah?
Oh.
It's in the pain like that.
Oh.
If I show you say, as my oga tell the turn, if na my oga fit just push this.
Easy. Stop to it like your granny pepper. I just want to say thank you for all your effort towards my recuperation. I know it's been challenging for you, but it's not been easy for everybody, but I'm grateful so far. I want you to help me thank Ayaka, your master, as well. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention. Our duty to help you, make you come day well. I for say make you come sleep. You know what else? Come make you sleep.
Don't worry, Doc.
Hey, beg, no they call me that name, Doc. Now my master na get that name, no be me get am on.
Isn't it your dream to become a doctor?
Yes, now my dream to become daughter of the bone. That the doctor what they call daughter of the bone, boniology. Now I want study, but for now I never be the daughter of boniology.
It's okay. Whenever you become it, let me know, so I'll start calling you that.
It's alright. I will let you know. Please, time don't reach, make you go rest. Yeah, come make you go rest. Make I put your clothes go. Once you don't reach time, I go carry you go. Make you go rest.
No, I'm fine here. It's okay. I want to take some time.
Okay.
Sitting.
Make I go now.
Already?
Yeah, I want to go.
Alright. My regards to Ayaka.
Okay, you go hear from you.
Honey, you get up, Get up and have some tea. Sit down. Sorry. It's warm and it will make you feel better. Let's have some. God. Take some more. Please, a little. Sorry. Not to worry, you'll be fine. Now that you've taken your medication, in no time you'll get well, okay?
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. You're my world. For better, for worse. You'll be fine. Sorry.
Come in, the door is open.
Madam, the documents are ready for your signature.
Can you keep that off for tomorrow? I'll do it tomorrow, okay?
Mama, the delegate will be coming in an hour and this needs to be signed.
Can you leave this till tomorrow morning? We scheduled the meeting for 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, please. For now, I want to be left alone.
Okay, ma.
What a damn say, vicious woman. She carry everything, a full package, you know. I'm not gonna let her go. That's what I want. No fit leave her alone. She's all I want. She got what I want. She's one in a million. But you should know. It's unconditional. You should know. This is unconditional love. My love for her is unconditional. This is unconditional love. It's gladdens my heart, you. Anytime I see you, baby. Yeah. Baby, I'm incomplete, you. Without you, anytime I see you, I'll be in a summer. Oh, baby, ma, you are specially made for me. Just for me alone. Oh, love, love, love. Yeah. Oh, 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 love, love, love. Yeah. I love you, please don't leave me, cause I can't leave you. Oh, you are my lover. We are destined to be together as one. Oh, baby, Onya Fulonanya. Nothing can break us in this life. You are my success, my destiny helper, my guiding angel. You are my peace, all I want. Our love is strong, oh baby. Baby, more, my love for her is unconditional. Don't worry, this is unconditional love. I'm not gonna disappoint you. It's unconditional. I'm not gonna disappoint you. This is unconditional love. I know you're worried. It's unconditional. Mama, Papa, this is unconditional love. This is unconditional love. Unconditional love. This is unconditional love.
What is it now? No, what is it? Hey, what How she just relax like that? Look at the way she relax. Hey,
Your father, you are trying to help me balance now.
help me balance. Does it mean that so is my presence? Did you not balance well? That this idiot just balance. Hey, hey, idiot! Oh no, idiot! Keep watching here. If I'm not here now, he go tell you look what on my idiot. I will give you that concussion now. That's the name. Wait. Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Where's the bag?
Why are you always confused?
I am not confused. This one is saying, where's the bag? Where's the bag?
Is it not this bag you're looking for?
Okay, bring it. If it is to go and last down, wow, you do. You should go tell it. Why, Franny? That one today. Just zip the bag, zip it.
Why are you talking to her like this? Is your apprentice?
If I don't talk to her like that, she will not learn. Won't here. But for here, once she will understand. But if you don't have to come from where? Stay there! This is Bakawa.
This does not look like medicine.
No, it is medicine. No. This one now, that was what I gave you before now. I told you in Tana. This thing went in and then straighten the. Don't you see that you cannot bend this one freely? Just remaining this one.
So what's the dosage? How many milligrams?
Just one shot. 1
milligram.
15 milligram. This is 10 milligram. 15 milligram. Let me test this for you.
Put it for him fast.
Shut up.
Give me, let me feed him.
Test.
Put it in the food. Sorry,
It's
sweating.
I can collect it out.
What do you say?
She said she wants to give me the medicine.
I will be the one that will give it best. You see, I look at grandma.
Sorry.
No, have I not been the one taking care of
Oh, yeah. You just use your, and then use your yes, your right hand.
Is this sweet?
Drink my prince.
All of them?
All of them. Don't sip it. Just wah. Once, if you sip it, I will not give you another wah. I will give you maybe all of them. And it will cause stomach tumor. Pour. Wow, that is it. Yes. It's bitter. What is this? All our flight? Oh, super.
What do you mean you're feeling guilty? Kingsley wouldn't leave my side. I remember several times when I was sick, he was there for me. He made sure I was fine. He nursed me until I got better. And now he's bedridden. I am not even there for him.
Will you go back to him?
I don't know. I just feel like I owe him a visit. Who knows? Who knows if I was the reason for the accident?
Stop blaming yourself.
I can't help it.
You can.
Son, I want you to know that the decision you took was all because of you. To us for good and not harm. I want the best
It's okay, Dad. I accept your apology. I know you're trying to find the right words to pass across your mind. You don't know how to go about it. It's fine. I forgive you.
I think this calls for a champagne.
Get a bottle of that.
I am so relieved. I must confess, I never thought a day like this would come that I will be so glad in my heart. You both are not just a blessing to me and my family, but to the entire kingdom. And I owe you a lot.
Well, you don't need to mention it. Our duty is to serve our kingdom. Yes.
And our duty, you know, see, now we don't help you now. Is that before now go they give us to money, they waste all our money, they waste million. Money wanna for bring for us, they change our life. They
My friend, shut up. Are you mad? What is we hear one. It's an affair, idiot.
It's okay. I want to say here, because I am happy, I will be sending both of you to America for a holiday. Yes.
America?
Yes.
Shut up. Respect yourself. Hey, did you say America? Why did I even carry this to this place? Igwe, sorry. America is too much, Igwe. See, Igwe, that would be a waste of money. It is better we travel to Iselugu.
God forbid, back to sender. You don't have sense, Ayaka. So you don't want to go to America, Abi? Igwe, don't mind him. Take me. It should be me that you want to take before to America. Take me, leave Ayaka. Yeah, let me go. Only me will go do my visa. Ayaka, stay back.
Are you mad?
Go to Iselugu.
How can only you go? Are you mad? You think I don't love going to America?
But you say what to go?
Why would you tell him go to take you to America? Only you. You took more work.
If you were not here.
Shut up.
Are you not here when his pockets? You did not pockets just now.
You don't want
to go to America?
Shut up.
Enough. Don't forget you are in my palace.
Igwe,
sorry.
America. We are going to America.
And I have decided that both of you will be leaving for America. Okay. And that's it.
Hey!
It's right.
Right. Precious woman, she carry everything in a full package, more. I no go let her go. That's what I want. No fit leave her alone. She's all I want. She got what I want. She's one in a million. But you should know it's unconditional. You should know this is unconditional love. My love for her is unconditional. This is unconditional love. It gladens my heart, you. Anytime I see you, baby. Baby, I'm incomplete, you. Without you, Anytime I see you, I've been a summer song. Oh, baby, ma, you are specially made for me. Just for me alone. Oh, love, love, love. Yeah. Oh, love, love, love. Yeah. Please don't leave me, cause I can't leave you. Oh, you are my lover. We are destined to be together as one. Oh, baby, on your full nothing can break us in this life. You are my success, my destiny helper, my guiding angel. You are my peace, all I want. Our love is strong, oh baby. Baby, more, it's unconditional. Don't worry, this is unconditional. I'm not gonna disappoint you. It's unconditional. I'm not gonna disappoint you. This is unconditional. I know you're worried. It's unconditional. Mama, Papa, this is unconditional love. This is unconditional love. Unconditional love. This is unconditional love.
What is it now? No, what is it? Hey, why would she just relax like that? Look at the way she relaxed. Hey, your father, you are trying to help me balance now. Help me balance. Does it mean that, sorry, my prince, did you not balance well? That this idiot just balance. Hey, idiot, oh no, idiot. Keep watching here. If I'm not here now, if you tell you what on my idiot. I will give you that concussion now. That's it. Where's it? Where's the bag? Where's the bag?
Why are you always confused?
I am not confused. This one is saying, where's the bag? Where's the bag?
Is it not his bag you're looking for?
Okay, bring it. If it is to go and last down, wow, you do. You seem to tell it. Why, Brian? That one today. Just zip the bag, zip it.
I'm talking to her like this is your apprentice.
If I don't talk to her like that, she will not learn. Here. But for here, once she will understand. But if you don't have to come from where? Stay there! This is Bakawa.
This does not look like medicine.
No, it is medicine. This one now, that was what I gave you before now. I told you in Tana. This thing went in and then straightened the. Don't you see that you cannot bend this one freely? Just remain in this one.
So what's the dosage? How many milligrams?
Just one shot.
1 milligram.
15 milligram. This is 10 milligram. 15 milligram. Let me test this for you.
Put it for him fast.
Shut up.
Give me, let me feed him.
Test.
Put it in the food. Sorry, yeah? It's sweaty.
I can collect it after.
What did you say?
She said she wants to give me the medicine.
I will be the one that will give it best. You see your grandma.
Sorry.
No, what you do? Have I not been the one taking care of
Oh yeah. You just use your and then use your yes. Right hand.
Is this sweet?
Drink my prince.
All of them.
All of them. Don't sip it. Just wah. Once if you sip it, I will not give you another wah. I will give you maybe all of them, and it will cause stomach tumor. Pour. Very. Wow, that is it.
Yes, yes.
It's bitter. What is this? All our flight? Oh, super. Pull.
What do you mean you're feeling guilty? Kingsley wouldn't leave my side. I remember several times when I was sick, he was there for me. He made sure I was fine. He nursed me until I got better. And now he's bedridden. I am not even there for him.
Will you go back to him?
I don't know. I just feel like I owe him a visit. Who knows? Who knows if I was the reason for the accident?
Stop blaming yourself.
I can't help it.
You can.
Son, I want you to know that the decision you took was all because of you. To us for good and not harm. I want the best.
It's okay, Dad. I accept your apology. I know you're trying to find the right words to pass across your mind. You don't know how to go about it. It's fine. I forgive you.
I think this calls for a champagne.
Get a bottle of that.
I am so relieved. I must confess, I never thought a day like this would come that I will be so glad in my heart. You both are not just a blessing to me and my family, but to the entire kingdom. And I owe you a lot.
Well, you don't need to mention it. Our duty is to serve our kingdom. Yes.
And our duty, you know, see, now we don't help you now. Is that before now you go to give us to money, they waste all our money, they waste million. Money wanna for bring for us, they change our life.
My friend, shut up. Are you mad? What is we hear one. It's an affair, idiot.
It's okay. I want to say here, because I am happy, I will be sending both of you to America for a holiday. Yes.
America?
Yes.
Shut up! Did you say America? Why did I even carry this to this place?
Sorry.
Igwe, sorry. America is too much, Igwe.
Huh?
See, Igwe, that would be a waste of money. It is better we travel to Iselugu.
God forbid, back to sender. You don't have sense, Ayaka. So you don't want to go to America, Abi? Igwe, don't mind him. Take me. It's me that you want to take before to America. Take me, leave Ayaka. Yeah, let me go. Only me will go do my visa. Ayaka, stay back.
Are you mad?
Go to Iselugu.
How can only you go? Are you mad? You think I don't love going to America?
But you say what?
Why would you tell me go to take you to America? Only you. You took more.
You're not here.
Shut up.
Are you not here when he spoke it? You did not spoke it just now.
You don't want
to go to America?
Shut up.
Enough. Don't forget you are in my palace.
Igwe, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Nigga, America. We are going to America.
And I have decided that both of you will be leaving for America. And that's it.
Hey!
It's a right.
Ayaka, yari okonye nyari kono konya ibokonya. Ayaka mwa, yari efudonye nyari chalo konya iboko. Ayaka
See, I dey hear all the things wey dey use me dey gossip for this village. People tell me, but I no say make I talk too much because I know say if I slap you, if I choke you, you go yoke me, you go die. You better say you want make I break your spinal cord and your cord of vertical. Now you want my break now. The one where I break your hand, it never reach you. I will break you to pieces. But I don't get your time now because I have a good news that I hear from the palace. And that good news is sweet my belly. So as I did now, I just want everywhere we go make my belly cool. All the things we are going to do, are going to make me happy. No, please do. Super see the fear. Agree. That is my reach this place. Oh, what do you want to say? I need. Maybe I can speak. Oh, excuse me. It's me, it's Kelechi. Our people is coming.
What is wrong with this one? This is real madness. You're not even my match. Rubbish.
What is that?
Why are you shouting and screaming my name? What is the problem? Who gave you the audacity to leave that palace?
Don't be dog going in a cage for one place. Papa, forget that thing, Papa. Do like this. Good news. Hallelujah. Amen. Do like this. I know that you don't go do it, Papa, because you know they go church. Me, I dey serve God when they are alive. Oh. Good news.
Hey. Thank God. God has really done it for me.
Yes.
So you are getting married. Where is he from?
I don't understand, Papa. I know they get married. Who think of say marriage concern tell talk? Papa, leave that one. You guys don't talk, say. As you see me here, I'm going to America. I don't be Oyibo. Hello, excuse me. How you doing? Fine. If they say me and Ayaka go America, we go fly for a plane. Me.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
We'll get married. You are not going to any Obodoyibo. Do you hear what I said? Obodoyibo ni.
Oh, God. God. When you dey give me, Papa, I no beg for this kind of father. What did I do this man?
See person when they call my papa enemy of progress. I don't come. When I did call, my spirit tell me say this man no go wish me well. But I don't say make I try. And I still come, he still disappoint me, Papa. Why? Papa now go punish you. You be enemy of progress. Oh, you be enemy of progress. It will go better for you, Papa. You see better thing for my life. You they don't say make I no go abroad, Papa. I can go reward you. If God no punish you, make I know why. You do wicked, Papa. Papa, you be wicked man. No be this kind, Papa. I ask God. Na mistake he make. He don't give me the man when I talk. Make him feel like Papa. Papa, I don't go reward you.
There you go.
Holy Ghost, fire for my father.
You see, I said you are not going to Obodo Igbo. You must get married.
Now you go, not go, Obodo Igbo.
Your Majesty, we have delayed for too long. Our people are beginning to grumble and think we have sinister plans.
Calm down, Elder. Everything is under control. I promise you the presentation will hold as planned.
Have you heard him? I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Ichimba Malo. Can you now rest?
Your Majesty, please, do you have plans to name another heir? No. Tell me, do you have something you are hiding from us?
My elders, I present to you my son, Prince Kisley Odogu, strong, heavy, and ready for the task ahead.
Sit down, son.
My son, you're welcome.
Welcome.
Greetings, my elders.
Welcome, my prince.
Welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
I need to laugh at you. I'm just leaving you.
You laugh at me because this is a surprise.
My prince.
Welcome, my prince.
Today is one of my happiest days.
Greetings. I want to see the prince.
Wonderful. Wow. What a surprise. I never believed a day like this would come when you would pay me a visit. You're welcome.
Thank you. You look good yourself.
Thank you. You look amazing yourself.
Thanks.
You're welcome once again. Can we go inside? No, I think we'd rather go out. Let's go somewhere nice and have a conversation.
Fine.
After you. Wow.
Woo!
Be kind, put Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop it.
Mother? Yes, dear. Where have you been? No one seems to know your whereabouts.
I've been around. Where is Kingsley?
I haven't seen him. Have you checked his room? I did. He isn't there. I heard a car driving earlier. Do we have a guest? None that I know of. Where could he be? Excuse me. But excuse.
Remember nothing is permanent. Remember nothing is permanent.
Tilda, you know you're very humorous. I really missed you.
Same here. Like I said, I came to the palace to see you several times, but I was denied access. Maybe your wife gave the order.
She's not my wife. I keep telling you that. I have always tried to explain this to you, but you keep referring to her as my wife.
Well, she threatened me. And she was very protective of you. I'm sorry, I do not know on what to refer her as.
It's okay. So what made you decide to visit?
What a damn say, vicious rumor. She carry everything in a full package, more. I not gonna let her go. That's what I want. Nothing leave her alone. She's all I want.
There you are. Where have you been?
I suspect he's seeing someone so special. When are we going to meet her?
Easy, Mom. Slow down, please.
Okay.
Not to worry. You'll meet the mystery girl in a couple of days.
Wow.
Did you hear that?
That is a great news. What about work? When are you getting back to that? Or are you still on your sick leave?
No, I'll get back to that later. I need to be ready.
Good.
Ready for what?
He needs to be ready.
For what? Lord?
You should know. I trust myself. Trust myself.
No, that's not true. Prince Kingsley was in a vegetative state when I left the palace. How could he have survived such severe injury within a short while? How?
He did. And as we speak, he's with Matilda.
What?
Yes.
So, that slimy witch waited for me to leave the palace so she can have him? I feel used. Wait, hold on. It's all beginning to make sense to me now. So it was a prank. They pranked me. The entire family did. So it was your plan to make me believe he was sick, so I can leave the palace. Maybe he wasn't even sick at all. Okay. They just stepped on the tail of a black mamba.
So what's the plan?
What about the last time? Sweetheart! How could you keep the gate open? I came in and nobody was there to man the gate and it was ajar. What if somebody had come into this compound? What? Sweetheart! Honey? Honey, why would everywhere be open like that? Do you have anybody here to support your alibi? I mean, you used to live here with your supposed fiancé who has now been kidnapped. Officer, why are you repeating every single thing I told you? Are you in any way suspecting me? Just a routine question, sir. I do not know yet if any crime was committed here. I told you the gate was ajar when I came into the compound. I didn't meet anybody in the house. That's why I put a call across. Excuse me. Yes? Detain them. I'm on my way. Prince, I just got a call from my men at the checkpoints. It seems they intercepted a kidnap gang with a lady matching the description of your fiancé. Where? How? Are you serious? I want to see them. Calm down. I need to verify first. Meanwhile, here is my card. Keep in touch. I will. Please, if anything comes up, let me know. Thank you.
Baby, not to worry. Not to worry. I'm on my way home now. I don't know. Baby, I can't even explain it. It just happened. Like, I was making dinner and I was about to go to the dining room to set the table. And the next thing I saw was a gun pointed at me. And yes, and that was it. And the next thing, it was a blackout. Thank God the police intervened, baby. I was in the trunk of a car. I almost died. I couldn't breathe. I have never ever in my life experienced such a thing before. Yes, baby. No, I'm calm. I'm calm now. Okay, baby. See you soon. See you soon. Hello? Hello? Louisa? My dear, listen, I do not know how it happened. I cannot explain what happened to me. But I just thank God that God just came through for me. He came through for me. I would have been dead. Yes. Yes. I'm just scared. But I'll be fine. Yes, I'm going to Kingsley's house. Please come over. Please. Please. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Please, driver, can you drive fast? Please.
Kelengwam, how are you and how is America? Hey, Zibongwa. Oh, I received it. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Just forget that. You know, as your father, I don't mean that you will not go, but I don't even know you're serious about it. But God has done it. Okay, Negioche. She's fine. I'll be visiting her tomorrow. Kelechi, one more thing, Take good care of yourself, Stay out of trouble and do what is right, oh? Try and do something that is right. How? Why, your ma? One ho, God. La Rofama. Good night. Bye bye. Yo, mom. What's it to see, child? Ako wata na ba anya mmiri? No. Hello, mom.
If he can't change your fate,
I didn't know they were seeing each other. When did this happen?
2 days ago. I noticed he was uneasy and making long phone calls. But after much persuasion, he opened up to me. Yeah.
I do not blame him. After the last time. Where is the girl? I hope she has been found.
Yes. I pity that poor girl. She's been through a lot. Just when she was recovering from the heartbreak, she was kidnapped. I pity her.
Well, she'll be fine.
Of course she'll be fine. She'll be fine.
What is keeping the lunch?
Oh, my apologies, my king. I'll be right back.
Please do.
I mean, with the food. The royal family is expecting a guest who will be arriving soon. Make sure all the instructions are followed and done properly.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Chinelo,
Yes, Your Majesty.
make sure you tidy up the kitchen. Keep everywhere clean. And Chidera,
Yes, Your Majesty.
help her. Should in case you do not understand anything, do not hesitate to ask questions.
Yes, Your
Okay?
Majesty.
You may now leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And Chidera,
Yes, Your Majesty.
bring the juice you prepared for me.
Okay.
Hurry.
Nervous?
Nervous? I'm sorry, I'm too old to be nervous.
Oh, really?
Well, you look like one who's going on a date for the very first time.
Wow.
Do you think that her mom would approve of her?
Well, I don't care. I don't care about the approval. Mine is to love her. Matilda is the love of my life. She's my bright morning star. She's the one I... Oh.
Here she is.
Hey, baby.
Hi, love.
How are you? I'm good. You're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
Meet my younger sister, Ijoma. Ijoma, the love of my life.
Nice to meet you again.
Same here. You look very beautiful.
You're beautiful too.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, we don't have to keep my parents waiting.
Right.
Okay.
You look right.
Thank you, baby.
Wow.
As many things to bring you down.
Come on, girlfriend. Forget about Kingsley. He's not the only man on earth. Just look at yourself. You're beautiful. A lot of men out there would do anything just to be with you. That's their invitation card anyway. And where are you going? Akonwa.
No. This one is better. Let's take this decoration. It's very, very lovely and exceptional.
You think so?
I know so. It's so attractive. It's best for every occasion.
See, we cannot decide for your brother. He has the final say. My dear, they are all beautiful. I will have to talk with my son. Like I said, he has the final say. We are not here to decide for him. Okay?
Okay.
Get to work while I talk with him.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I will get back to you.
Okay, Your Majesty. I'll be on my way now.
It's all right.
All right. Have a nice day.
Bye. Take care.
Okay. That color is nice.
I know they are nice, but we can't decide for him.
No,
like
no,
I said.
if you talk Kingsley, he might like it.
It's not true.
He might like it.
Your choice might not be his.
But he will still listen to us.
Okay. Oh.
So he's not the only one celebrating.
You're also celebrating. Please,
With
I'll be
him.
in my room.
Okay. Queen mother. Don't you know about the culture?
I have been a fool. So, they think they can use me. I am a moving train. Anyone who crosses my lane will be crushed.
My daughter, go and show us who your husband is.
It is said that when a fish decides to live on the dry land, then it is no longer fish. Please, I want to use this opportunity to make my intention known to everybody here that I'm going to ask the man I'm going to do 2 things at a time. I want to use this opportunity to let everybody know that I want Kelechi here to be my wife.
Wow!
Yes, that's a good thing. Yes.
Tell me you want to marry me.
You just said it now.
Yes. You see that do
Chima
Rienu. Nguonu. Banu. Kwezono.
Freeze! Drop your gun!
Drop it!
Now.
Drop that gun, Akwanwa.
Drop it!
No, princess, Shebi, I was telling you that this guy is very, very wicked. Shebi, you see it now.
Looking for this?
So are you coming over the weekend?
Definitely.
All right, take care of you. Bye.
Don't let her know that we are related in any way.
No.
Fine.
Careful.
You know she's going to be the future queen of this kingdom. Good. Your eyes should be on her.
I have my eyes on her.
Good.
Handcuff her. Before she doing that thing. Move.
Follow, follow. Wicked guy. I'm not giving you the carrot you gave me in the palace. Nonsense.
Are you serious?
Hey.
She kicked you.
She kicked me like this. I'm not for that.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Idiot. Kick you. Kick you. What are you doing?
Don't. Sorry, I'm after for everybody.
Sorry.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Everything is not by force. I tell you, marriage is not do or die affair. So take this easy. Take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life. Take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Be kind to people. Be kind, put on. Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop it. Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop, Everything is not by force. Marriage is not do or die. Take this easy. Take it easy. Take this easy. Take this easy. Take this easy. In this life, take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy.